So I just got this cat tree for Tiger, so let's check it out. So it comes in this box tightly organized, and here's everything that's in it. So the first step is to attach these J posts to the base right in here. And now it's time to screw in these W1 bolts, 4 on the top and 4 at the bottom. Next we attach the K post right here and the H post right here. And we'll use the same W1 bolt. Next it's time to connect these two pieces from the back side, and we're going to be using these angled brackets with the small W3 bolts. And because these brackets have plenty of space for the bolt, make sure to not tighten them all the way until we have the right adjustment. Just like this. So now this piece has some plenty of give, and now it's time to tighten these up. So this piece is going to be attached to this long post, and we're going to be using the W2 bolt. Just like that. And now the smallest post labeled I can be screwed in right on top here. Now it's time to screw in the W5 bolt, and make sure this one's oriented correctly with the majority of the threads being upwards. As you see here, there's this little separation, and this can be screwed in right over here. And when that's nice and tight, the basket can be placed right on top, followed by this post that has 2 holes in it. And on the other side, we're gonna screw it in with that W1 bolt. And now the last post labeled I can be screwed in on top here. And now that top platform can be screwed in on the top here. And with that nice and tight, we can finally put this part on top. And the last thing is to screw in this ball at the bottom here. And if you look at one of the corners, it's going to have the thread, and in this case it's going to be right over here. And this also does come with an extra ball just in case my cat breaks it. And the perfect space for this cat tower is going to be right by this window, because my cat always likes watching out here. And the best part is this is actually going to be the perfect space for it, so once he's on top, he's going to be able to look out there. Tiger, come, come. Oh, perfect. He's already started scratching. He's not scratching in the right place, but it's okay. Oh, he's about to jump. Yeah. Perfect. He found the perfect spot. And just as I suspected, dude's perching on top, and now he can get a nice view of the outdoors. And I'm wondering if he's gonna come down here on this one, because this is pretty tight, it looks like, for him. He's about 12 pounds, so he's pretty big. But I know he likes tight spaces, and I have seen him do this on another small cat bed. Oh, look at it. He fits perfectly. Oh, this is great. Yeah, this is a good buy. And he has a lot more to discover, such as going there, see if he likes it, and also using the actual scratching post right over here, because at first you saw he was stretching and scratched there. And then there's also that like little cove in here at the bottom. But I'm glad he likes it. He's wagging his tail all over, you see? But yeah, that's a quick look at the cat tree.